Welcome to part 1 of the most important general knowledge. In this series, we are diving into the must-know facts and trivia that will expand your mind. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with Question 1. The longest river in the world? Nile. Question 2. When was the civil disobedience movement launched? 1930. Question 3. Which country has a direct democracy? Switzerland. Question 4. The headquarters of the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, is at Vienna. Question 5. The Strait of Bab el-Mandeb is known as Gate of Tears. Question 6. International Human Rights Day is celebrated every year on 10th December. Question 7. The currency of Sweden is the krona. Question 8. The telecommunication link between the Kremlin, USSR, and the White House, USA, so as to avoid accidental war is Radcliffe Line. Question 9. The author of the book When Loss is Gain is Pawan K. Verma. Question 10. The Kaziranga National Park is situated in which part of Assam? Jorhat. Question 11. Whom did Serena Williams defeat to clinch the US Open 2012? Victoria Azarenka. Question 12. Who discovered the typewriter? C. Sholes. Question 13. The author of the book Pride and Prejudice is Jane Austen. Question 14. Stadiometer is used to measure height. Question 15. Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee Trophy is associated with which sports? Football. Question 16. MC Mary Kom won a bronze medal for India at the London Olympics 2012 in which events? Boxing, 51 kilograms category. Question 17. Nelson Mandela was conferred the Bharat Ratna in which year? 1990. Question 18. Newton's second law of motion is known as Law of Acceleration. Question 19. The hormones responsible for the production of seedless fruit is auxin. Question 20. Complete combustion of 1 gram of fat in our body yields 9.3 calories. Question 21. Teachers training in physical education first started in India at Madras. Question 22. The square of standard deviation is mode. Question 23. Under certain conditions, the religious beliefs can a major influence on economic behavior. Who made use of the above idea in his study on development of capitalism? Weber. Question 24. Population pyramid is graphic representation of a population's mortality and morbidity. Question 25. Who was the last king of the Maurya dynasty? Brihadratha. Question 26. The number of medals won by India in the 2010 Commonwealth Games. 101. Question 27. How many fundamental rights have been incorporated in the Constitution of India? 9. Question 28. How many times can a person be elected as President of USA? 2 times. Question 29. Where is the National Gallery of Modern Art located? Mysore. Question 30. World Population Day is celebrated on 6 July. Question 31. Who were the leaders of the Khilafat movement? Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Question 32. Indian freedom fighter served as the first president of the All India Trade Union Congress. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question 33. The expenditure made on does not require budgetary approval every year. Natural calamities. Question 34. India is the chief exporter of jute. Question 35. Which rivers that originate from Madhya Pradesh and drops its water into the Gulf of Khambhat? The Mahi. Question 36. Under which provision of the Indian Constitution, Union can protect the state against external aggression and internal disturbance? Article 355. Question 37. The ratio of velocity of the minute hand and second hand of a clock is 1:60. Question 38. States that was previously known as NEFA. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 39. A famous novel, Tempest, is written by William Shakespeare. Question 40. The impact of Green Revolution in India was felt most in case of rice. Question 41. Buddha was born in 563 BC. Question 42. Ozone layer is above the Earth's crust around 20 kilometers. Question 43. If all the plants and trees vanish from the earth, the gas which will decrease is oxygen. Question 44. Dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. Question 45. The first metal used by man was copper. Question 46. The soil formed by wind dust in and around hot deserts is called sandy soil. Question 47. The classical economists focused on the role of money as medium of exchange. Question 48. The optimum sound level for human beings is 120 decibels. Question 49. Which mountain forms boundary between Spain and France? Pyrenees. Question 50. The main cause of the ecological imbalance in India? Deforestation. Question 51. Linseed is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid. Question 52. In India, in 2004 to 2005, the number of persons below poverty line was the highest in the state of Bihar. Question 53. Who is the author of the book Beyond the Lines, an autobiography? Kuldeep Nair. Question 54. Who was considered as the father of White Revolution? Dr. Verghese Kurian. Question 55. Souring of milk is due to Protozoa. Question 56. Growth and plant occur for definite period. Question 57. The nature of nerve impulse is biophysical. Question 58. Champion Trophy is associated with badminton. Question 59. First Indian state to pass land title bill? Gujarat. Question 60. The Regional Conference of Northeastern State on Child Adoption has been held in which city of India? Shillong. Question 61. Goa was liberated from the Portuguese in the year 1948. Question 62. India participated in Olympics hockey first time in 1948. Question 63. Solid carbon dioxide is otherwise known as solidified. Question 64. Dengue fever is caused by bacteria. Question 65. Who is the author of the book The Story of Kashmir Through the Ages? Nehan Singhal. Question 66. The Almaty Dam is a hydroelectric project on which river? Godavari. Question 67. What is the India's rank in the 2018 World Press Freedom Index, WPFI? 138th. Question 68. Entomology is the science that studies insects. Question 69. Who is the present Finance Minister of India? Nirmala Sitharaman. Question 70. India's first nuclear blast at Pokhran in Rajasthan took place in 1984.